All right, guys, welcome back here. Welcome back. Today's a big day. It's Saturday, and I'm just I just got a big shipment in today. What I've been kind of waiting all week for. I got 3 boxes of these blasters. I got 3 hangers. Went to Shields, got some cards today, so we got a lot to do here. But on this video here, it's just going to be these 3 blasters here. So, but this is really what I've been looking forward to last week or so, ever since I ordered them. But we're gonna open these 120 cards, and y'all know what we're looking for. Like if you guys have seen my other 1920 Panini Chronicles, I'm searching for that Ja Morant, Young Dolph, and Parents from the Blind Side. Let me know if you guys have done these before, or if you guys have got that Young Dolph Ja card out of a blaster or a hanger, or mega. Do they have megas of these? I think they should, but I've never had a mega box of these. But 5 cards, 3, 6, 8 packs. All right, first pack, guys. Donovan Mitchell, Vic, Jarrett Culver, Jordan Poole, rookie. There's no Ja Morant, rookie. Not the one we're looking for, but second pack. A lot of other rookies in here too, like Zion and Jordan Poole, Rui, James Harden, DeAndre Fox, Taco Fall, Crusade, Rui, Trae Young Marquee, like where do you guys kind of get all your cards from? I usually get most of my cards from eBay, is where I'll buy them. What was I gonna say? I go to stores and I'll buy them there just randomly. Like there's a store called Fleet Farm we got. They've had like the WNBA Don Russ on sale, and so of like Shields, I know they have them like the mega boxes for $35 right now. Sacco, rookie. Eric Pashaddle. Doubt I said that right. Oh, Tyler Hero, rookie. PJ Washington, rookie. So it's Brandon Clark, rookie. And Zion's another big one this year. But really, it's a base card too, I'm pretty sure. The Ja Morant we're looking for. Cam Reddish, rookie. Julius Randle. Cam Reddish. Now Luka Pink, that's his 2nd year. Throw that one up there, I guess. Shall we get something else? Cam Reddish, he was decent. But he's out of the league now. Played started with Lakers. He was pretty decent when he first started with the Lakers, but our hero rookie, Cam Johnson, pink. Eric Pascal, Romeo Langford, R.J. Barrett, Kemba Walker, Joel Embiid, Matisse, Kendrick Nunn, Jackson Hayes, another Laker. Played this year in the dunk competition. Garland, Kevin Foster Jr., Luka, Zion, and a PJ. Last pack, guys. See if we get that Young Dolph Zion, or Young Dolph Ja. PJ. Jason Tatum. Ja. Not the one we're looking for. Goga. James Harden pink. I got that one last time too. All right, guys. Second box. Sorry if I'm going kind of slow here, guys. When I do this, I try to say everybody's names. I might kind of try to change it in the future and not say the base ones. I don't know yet. Don't know how I'm going to do it yet. Still kind of feeling around. I'm still kind of new to this. Matisse. Seiko. Another Seiko. Another Seiko. Jackson Hayes. Wow. Not too good too far, but so far, but Giannis. Keldon Johnson. LeBron James. Darius. Cleveland. Garland. Kevin Porter Jr. Ja. Darius Garland, pink. Kendrick Nunn. Jamal Murray, and Jordan Poole. Just so you guys know, I don't just leave my cards out like this after I do the videos. I penny sleeve them and put them in 35s. I'll just leave them out here like this. Sometime I'll kind of show you a little bit how I do it here. PJ. Eric Pascal. Andre Drummond. Cam Reddish. Jared Culver. You guys, any of you guys broke any of these boxes, like the hangers or blasters? Let me know, guys. Send me a link there. I'd like to watch it or see what you guys pull out of these. These are my kind of, I don't know, I'd say right now they're toward the favorites. I mean, I don't always get good stuff out of here, but Kobe White. But I mean, for what we're really paying here for these, I mean, you're getting a lot of rookies, different rookies here. I mean, this was a pretty big class here. I mean, you got Zion, you got Ja Morant, you got Rui, you got Kobe White, you got Barrett, so many other people. Guy down in Miami, Hero. I mean, so many people. Kellen Johnson, Luka, James Harden, Tyler Hero, and a Kobe White hanky. Second to last pack, guys, on the second box. Jordan Poole, Kevin Love, Kobe, Tyler Hero, Carson Edwards. Last pack. That Jaws right here, I can feel it. Tyler Hero. Romeo Langford. Jackson Hayes. Kemba. Kellen Johnson. All right, guys, that's the second box here. We got one more to go. So we've got a couple Jaws, one Zion. Third and last box, guys. The blaster box. 120 cards total. We've already gone through 80. We got 40 more. Get that one right here, that Ja and Young Dolph right here. Derrick Rose. John Morant. Massar Little. DeAndre Hunter. Kellen Johnson. Second Zion. DeMar DeRozan. Steph Curry. Our Ja Morant. And look at that, another pink Luka. Got a lot to put in sleeves. Sorry about that last one, guys. The shine on that Zion there in the end. I'll kind of, at the end of the video, I'll kind of go through them. But I mean, really, I mean, still looking for that other Ja. More stuff. Pink. Kevin Porter. Trae Young. Another Zion. So we're starting to get more Zions now. I'm kind of impressed here too. I mean, it's not Luka's rookie, but his second year, we've been getting quite a few of them in here. Jerry Jackson. DeAndre Hunter. Brandon Clark, Jordan McLaughlin. Coming up here too, we got one I haven't done here, a baseball mega box here. I picked up at Shields today. Kyle Lowry, RPJ, Pinky, Darius Garland, Cam Reddish, and Cam Reddish.